Hi everyone. Today in this video I am going to show you the generation of JWT token and using that JWT token to get the access token from the Salesforce org. So let us say in this Chrome browser I have logged into my Salesforce org, and first thing you have to do is go to oauth and OpenID Connect settings, click on it. Yeah, you have to enable the allow oauth username and password flows. It is by default it is turned off. Just turn it on. Once this is done, let's create a new connected app. And before creating a new connected app, the prerequisites for this video are: first, you have to install openssl in your Windows or Mac or Linux, and also install the latest Java JDK in your device. Moreover, I will also do that video on how to install set the paths environment variables in the upcoming video, so stay tuned for it. So once it is done, now what we are going to do is, first, this is the org in which we are going to create a connected app. Okay, and first I am creating a new folder. You can create folder anywhere. I am copying this path. Now I will open my command prompt and I am changing the directory to this current folder. See, now in the command prompt I am in this folder here, the LWC oauth practice SSL files. Now I am in this folder. Right, in this folder I am utilizing some openssl commands which I will be pasting in description and comments, so check them out. There are basically 4 commands you need. I will paste the everything, don't worry. Yeah, these are the 4 commands you need to execute. That's it. You don't need to know much about this. If you want, you can Google it out. So first, copy the first command, and see, when I am executing these commands, some files will be creating here in this folder. First command executed. See, a file is created. Now the second command. Again, a new file is created. Third command. The third command, you can fill some random data, no issue. I am filling like country name India. I'm in Andhra Pradesh. Let us give it as AP. Locality name, something, let us give as test. You can give any data, no issue. Giving test. To avoid confusion, everywhere I am using the password as 123456. So I recommend you follow the same steps as well. See, now after this, the fourth command, we have to execute it as well. Copy, paste, enter. See, now the 4 files we have, right? The server.key is there, right? This is our private key file. Okay, remember it. The server.key is the private key, and wait, I am showing in notepad as well. The public key is nothing but the security certificate. The first one is there, right? This is called as the security certificate, and the private key is nothing but the server.key file. It is not server.pass.key, it is private key server.key. Remember it. Okay, now what we are going to do is we are going to our connected, we are going to create a new connected app. So go to external client app settings, create a new connected app. I'm giving this app name as jwt app. Give a random email. I'm giving my email. Here click on enable oauth settings, callback URL, give anything that has HTTPS protocol. I am giving this as the callback. You can give anything as well. Now click on use digital signatures. Now it will ask you to choose the file. Here click on this choose file, and you have to upload the security certificate that you have created using the openssl commands. Yeah, now give the scope. I am giving the full access. Here the two important steps are, you have to remove the PKCE checkbox. Remove this checkbox, and I think we are good to go now. Yeah, saving this connected app. Click on continue. Now we have this connected app, right? Now we will click on manage consumer details. It will send an email. I am checking my email quickly. I haven't received an email yet. Let me click on resend. Maybe I'll go back. Why it's not responding? Again, go to app manager. jwt app, view, manage consumer details. Yeah, now I got the code. enter the code, it will display the client in the consumer key and consumer secret. Paste them somewhere secured here. Consumer key, consumer secret. Okay, I have pasted it. Now go back. See, and moreover, after uploading the certificate, you will see the data that you have given when you are using the openssl command. Yeah. Okay, now it's done. Now what you have to do is, there is a website called jwt.io. Go to this website. Here there are two things, decoder and encoder. Go to the jwt encoder. In the encoder, okay, yeah, you have to include in the header this JSON data. I will be sharing this in the description or pinned comment. Please check. In the payload, here ISS is there, right? In this ISS, you have to copy and paste the connected apps client consumer key. Okay, so I am quickly updating this consumer key, and in the subject there is a thing called sub, right? In the subject, I have to utilize this. We have created a connected app in an org, right? In that org, you have to give any user's username here. Okay. Next, AUD is always http://salesforce.com, and exp means expiry. In this, you have to go to unique timestamp.com. Unique timestamp. Once it is loaded, copy this unique timestamp and give it here. So here it will ask for sign jwt private key. Here I have previously told you, right? We have server.key file that got generated from openssl, right? This is nothing but the private key. So right click, open with any a notepad or code editor. I am opening with VS Code. You have to just copy and paste this entire thing. Copying this and go to the jwt.io site. I am pasting this. Okay, so yeah, we are good to go now, and this thing is automatically generated, right? So suppose if I am making any changes also, it is going to generate in the real time. Make sure you are utilizing the latest timestamp here. So I got a JSON web token, right? Now I am copying this JSON web token. Okay, now I want to make a call from postman. So I am opening postman quickly. Yeah, in the postman, you have to make a post request to this endpoint, which is the salesforce endpoint that is going to provide us the access token. Okay, so the parameters empty, authorization is also by default, headers nothing. In the body, we have to give as assertion. in the assertion we have to paste our jwt token that got generated from the jwt.io website, and in the grant type you have to copy paste this thing. I will share this entire thing in the description. You can copy paste from there, and once I am saving this and I am sending, let us see what is going to happen. See, I got a bad request, invalid grant, user hasn't approved this consumer. So if you are facing this issue, means the user we have included in the, here we have included a username, right? In that connected apps where we have created, in that org we have to explicitly define that this user should have access to that connected app, otherwise this is not going to work. So I am going to this connected app and I am going to click on manage, and now I'm going to click on edit policies. Now here I am changing the permitted users to unapproved users, clicking on OK. Here remove the enforce IP restrictions, and I am relaxing the IP restrictions, and I am saving this. Once I save this and go back, it will show the connected app, it will show the profile and permission set, and I am going to manage the profiles. Now that user is a system admin, so I'm clicking on system admin and saving it. Yeah, this is what you have to do if you get that error. So I am again making this same request, clicking on send. So see, now what I got is expired authorization code. That means this value, we have this value, right? It got expired. Basically the JSON web token generated by this jwt-io website is only valid. Normally the JSON, the JWT, I mean in JWT token flow, this JWT token expires after 3 minutes. So we have to again copy the latest timestamp from the Unix timestamp and copy here, and we will get a new JSON web token, right? We will copy this and we will again paste it in the postman, saving, and again I'm sending. So expired authorization code, is it copied? Still the same error. So don't worry, sometimes what happens is we have made some changes in this connected app, right? It will say it takes some time to get reflected, so don't worry. Just check again, relax, admin. It's done. We have made some changes, right? I think it is going to take like some time. Let me try again with Here guys, I found the issue. Actually when I am copying this timestamp, right here it is 1763371236373839, right? I am copying it, let us say 342. Okay, I am pasting this timestamp here, but see it is still pasting the old timestamp. I don't know why. So every time when you are copying, you have to just refresh this page and copy, click on copy and paste here, then only it is going to generate a updated web token and you can use it here. That is the issue I faced. Yeah, now I got the access token. Now by using this access token I can do an apex callouts to the required REST resources and like that. Usually the JSON web token is short-lived and access token is the expiry time is more when compared to JWT web token. So yeah, and make sure, suppose you are using this web token and you are trying to call and you get unauthorized or grant type invalid. Previously we got an error, right? If you get that, means that token is expired. You have to use the latest Unix timestamp here to generate this web token. So in the next video I am going to tell you how to configure and install openssl and what Java development kit latest versions, so you won't face any errors. Thank you.